Hello, my name is Shyngys Shynbolatov. I'm from Kazakhstan. I was born and raised there, and I'm a programmer. I started coding around 2017, and since then I've been coding on PHP, Node.js, JavaScript, TypeScript, and worked with GitHub, Linux, AWS, and the PostgreSQL database or the MongoDB. I also have experience in analytics. For example, you can check out my Udemy course where I teach 37,000 people, or you can check out my YouTube, my LinkedIn, my TikTok, my Instagram, where I make content about blockchain, where I just make content about technology in general, and mostly it's